boy asleep. He carefully watched him every day and made quite sure that none was strayed.
But unlike the girl known as Little Bo Peep, he dreaded the job of tending his sheep. Our shepherd tried to find a way to get him through his boring day.
But in his attempt to stay awake, he devised a plan that would one big mistake. But how would the shepherd boy to know that crying wolf was not the way to go?
It's time to play a trick on all the folks who live in town. I'll cry out, whoa, whoa, and they'll all come on the run. Won't that be a naughty way to really have some fun? Whoa, 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 whoa. Come help me if you can. This wolf will gobble up my sheep if you don't lend me a hand.
Bah, bah, bah. The wolf is such a glutton. The sheep will have a feast of lamb chops and on months.
Hurry, shepherd boy, we have heard the crying. Come to save the sheep. Where is this wolf here?
I played a joke on all of you. I tried that wolf to have some fun and see what he would do.
A joke! And to think that we came running all this way. Don't ever try that stunt again, or there will be a price to pay. Some days have passed and all was well. The cows were in the middle, the sheep were in the dell, but it wasn't long before our shepherd paid that nasty tribute. That's heavy, she is such a wolf. I think I'll cry out wolf once more. Whoa! Whoa! Please come down. He may eat my sheep, he may eat your cows.
We're here, don't fear. We've come to save our sheep. But if you totally run away again, you'll be in trouble too.
You're all just a bunch of silly fools who run when you hear crying. There's no wolf here to go back home out of only lying. Lying? Lying? Do you know what you have done? Lying is no joke and no way to have fun.
There'll come a day when you need help and won't know what to do. But since you've lied so many times, don't call us, we'll call you.
I'm very brave. No wolf is frightened me. I'll huff and then I'll puff and get myself. Yes, that's how it works. The villagers were happy and mad. They stormed off in a huff for a very clear seat that they had had enough. And as they predicted, it wouldn't be very long before that foolish shepherd boy would sing a different song. I come to have my fun. I'm here to take your sheep, and there's no place to. Help! Help! The wolf! The wolf! He's trying to cry. You cannot come see my sheep. He's sticking.
judge. It sounded like another lie as far as they could judge. But God will call our good friend Aesop for the moral to the tale, and he'll be glad to demonstrate that his truth shall prevail.
If you're known for telling lies each and every day, when the truth comes, no one will believe the words you say.
Exactly.